Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to set password in laptop. It's pretty easy. So just follow the steps I'm going to show you and don't skip the video so you don't miss any step. So to do that, let me show you. You have to go to your search bar and type in search your account info. Here it is in the Windows search bar, and then click open. And once you do it, this type of your account info will appear on your screen. And from here, you have to tap on open and then select sign in options. And here on the left side, you will find sign in options and then select password. You will find the option right here. After clicking, you will find the option of add. Just click on add, and then here this type of layout will appear on your screen. And here you have to give your new password, confirm your password, and just put a password hint just in case if you forget any password of yours. And then select on next in here, just at the bottom right, and finish with password, and the computer will record the password next time you sign in. So yeah, make sure to just tap on finish. If you don't do it, the password will not be set. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.